Hello friends, today we are going to make Khao Man Gai. It is a Thai dish similar to chicken Hainan recipe. We have put oil and now we are going to put 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons chopped garlic. Let's stir it well. Stir it well till it becomes golden brown in color. This is 2.5 cup rice which we washed and soaked in drinking water for almost half an hour. Now we are going to add this raw rice which has been washed and soaked into the brown garlic. Keep stirring it well. We are adding 1 spoon salt. We are now adding few ginger slices. Each of the ingredient that we have added into our rice must be perfectly infused together. Khao Man Gai can also translate to just chicken rice or the simple version of Hainanese chicken rice. We're now going to be transferring this rice into the rice cooker in here. We're going to be making it inside. Add water in the cooker as per your portion quantity. We are adding raw chicken into the rice cooker. We have 500 gram. We have put the rice inside the rice cooker and now we're going to be cooking it. Already been cooked, so we'll show you. This is how it looks in the rice cooker. You can see how nice, steamy and aromatic it looks. It looks so yummy guys, and it's so healthy too. Our Hainanese aka Khao Man Gai chicken rice is ready. Here we have prepared a sauce. It is made of sugar, garlic, ginger, green chili and soya bean paste. And here we have made a stir-fry vegetable of cabbage, bean sprout and soybeans. And we also have soup ready. This is a Loki soup, bottle gourd soup. This soup recipe is already in our previous video. And if you would like the sauce recipe, please comment down below and we can make a separate video of this, detailing you all the ingredients. This dish is perfect for people who are looking for a healthy diet option because the chicken is steamed and there's no frying, deep frying ingredients involved in it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and we'll see you later. Bye guys, bye.